After we receive the machine, we assemble it well like this. And before we do embroidery, we need to check whether we have thread the needle well. And we need to check the thread tension to see whether it thread well. And also, you need to check whether the thread is enough for the embroidery work. After that, you need to check the bobbin case to see whether the bobbin thread is enough. And then we can select a purple frame to stable the materials you want to embroider. And then we fix the frame. If you want to embroider on the big area material, you can choose the biggest frame and stable it like this. After you fix it, you can adjust the tightness of the frame by this screw. And then we fix the frame on the machine. After we fix the frame, we can start to operate the machine. Firstly, you need to insert the USB flash to input the design into the machine. Read USB and select the one you want to embroider. You can select several designs as you want. And then press OK. Select the one you want to embroider. Select the direction you want. And then select the frame. As we fix the biggest t-shirt frame on the machine, so we choose the biggest frame on the control panel. Select it, press OK. It will check the original automatically. And then we select color. Choose the color you want according to the thread you use on the machine. And then press OK. Before we do embroidery, check border is very important. To see the area you are going to embroider. And then you can press start. The machine will work automatically.